Do you know you can turn palm kernel oil, PKO, into a high-foaming soda soap that sells fast and bring you profit? In this video, you will learn how I make quality soda soap using PKO that is not only durable but also very cost-effective. Stick with me to the end. I will share with you how I make this simple soda soap with just 3 ingredients. Let's make it together. The first thing is my mixing bowl, and in my mixing bowl I'll be added PKO into my mixing bowl. Palm kernel oil, I'll be adding 500 ml. 500 ml of PKO goes into my mixing bowl. Then your wicks, your turning stick. Don't forget to protect yourself and always make your production in a well-ventilated place. Here is my lye solution. Lye solution is caustic soda mixed in water and also soda ash solution. Don't forget to get your mold prepared before production. Here is the mold I will be using for today's production. And the next step is to add lye solution into PKO. Lye solution will be using 350 ml. Lye solution is a necessary ingredient in soap making. It will react with oil to cause saponification, the chemical process that turns fat and oil into soap. As I added my lye solution, then I make sure I stir it together very well in order not to have separation between oil and lye solution. So you need to stir it together very well before adding the next ingredients. And the next ingredient I'm adding is my soda ash solution. Soda ash solution, we added just 150 ml. As I add, I stir it together very well. In fact, I have to change my stirring stick into my whisk in order to have a good blend. In this production, there's no need of using foam booster. Do you know why? Because PKO produces high foam. It produces bubbling and cleansing leather. It is very good when you want your soda soap to foam richly and clean fast, unlike bleach palm oil. Kindly comment and like this video. And if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, encourage me to post more videos. Then I continue stirring it. You have to stir it until both oil and all the ingredients blend together without separation. As you can see, we have a very beautiful batter here. I think it has traced well. Now we have a medium trace. You can now add your batter into your mold. So as you are adding it, you tap it, but you need to be very fast with it. Now I'm adding everything into my mold. Let me tell you something. Making soda soap with PKO can still give you gain. You can still make profit in making your soda soap with PKO, but you make more profit using bleach palm oil than using PKO in making soda soap. Your soda soap using PKO will come out beautiful and strong, but your bleach palm oil, as you all already know, that it traces on time. And if you want to know more how you can make profits in using PKO or bleach palm oil or even tallow in making your soda soap, kindly join my advanced class, either Telegram or WhatsApp. Just come to my DM. Let me know if you are interested in joining my advanced soda soap. And for those of you that want to start business with soda soap, It's not everything that you can learn here. You need to know how to mix the caustic soda and water, soda ash and water. You need to know all the advantage and disadvantage, how you can do this and do that in order to make profit. So I will be waiting for you in my WhatsApp group to join the advanced class and make profit. Make huge profit in soda soap making. This is the outcome of our soda soap using PKO after 24 hours. You can see how beautiful it came out. Just look at the shining, beautiful, strong soda soap that came out exactly 24 hours after this production. I believe you will like to practice this. Kindly get all the ingredients ready. Go to where they are selling soap chemicals. Buy your PKO, buy your caustic soda, get everything ready and follow the same procedure. You can replay this video, put it beside you, just do as I do, and at the end of the day, you will get this beautiful soap, just exactly the one that you are seeing. Let's test the foaming ability of this soap. As you can see, it leather very well and it cleans. That is how you can easily make powerful and profitable soda soap using PKO. You can start small business with making soda soap. Imagine how much money you can save at home or even start earning by selling this soap. If you found this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe to Empower to Earn for more soap making tutorials and business tips that will help you turn skills into income. For all my return subscribers, I say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.